Alright, so today is Sunday, July 12th, and I am just cooking up a bunch of food on the grill today. Alright guys, so I'm sitting down here on the back porch here, cooking up some food. That's 24 hamburgers. A lot of hamburgers, so I'm kind of cooking for the whole week. I'm cooking bring some in the truck with me, leave some here, and then Melissa goes over and takes care of her grandmother. And her mom is there too, and she brings over dinner a lot of times. So if we got pre-cooked food, it's a lot easier for them, so they don't have to prepare any meals or anything. So I'm cooking 24 hamburgers. I've got, I don't know what that is, about 12 of those Italian sausages, and then I'm gonna cook up 3 packages of hot dogs. And Melissa's upstairs making chicken salad and tuna salad. So she'll take over a couple bowls of chicken salad, tuna salad. She's making coleslaw, she'll take that over. And a loaf of bread and some already cooked hamburgers, hot dogs and sausages, and they'll be pretty well set for the week. So it helps out. So cook it all at once on the grill is a lot quicker and easier than making a meal every night. Anyway, and I like my hamburgers. You guys know I always have hamburger patties in the truck. This way they'll just be done already, and they'll be cooked on the barbecue, so it'll be a little bit better. Huh? What you got? What you got, huh? What you got? Come here. Come on. Come on, Beetle Bailey. Come on. Hey, alright, so it's Monday, July 13th, 2020, and I'm here at home getting ready to go to work. Just taking care of a few things, out with Bailey, giving her a little exercise. I don't know if you remember, like a month and a half ago, I bought a new alternator for the tri-pack, the auxiliary power unit on the truck. And yesterday I went to put it on and got the old one off, put the new one up in there, and realized it's the wrong one. The original one was a 65 amp and the one they sold me was 120, so I got to stop back by Thermo King down in Binghamton on my way up to pick up my first load up in Fulton and swap it out. I could put the 120 in there, but then I have to get into the shop because they have to reprogram the computer for it to work right. So I think the easiest thing for me to do at this point is just swap it out for the right alternator, and I can stick it up in there real quick, so I got everything ready to go already. Probably take me 20-30 minutes to put the new one in. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Just all I got really left to do is put all my food in the truck and get going. Alright guys, it's just a little short vlog to cover the weekend. I really didn't do much this weekend. And it's already time to head back to work. So we'll see you in a couple days with another vlog. All right, bye for now, guys. Take care.